it is handheld, and that's the phone in this black Mini, LG73YVM. It's an electric one. Mount. Why are you looking at Instagram? There's some bikes coming up behind me. Let's go. And you as well. What on earth are you doing, mister? I don't believe you're meant to be WhatsApping, mate.
You're in an email.
Sorry?
I'm at a fucking red light looking at an email.
You can make that excuse to the magistrates, because I am going to report it. You have about 14 days to find out whether they're going to prosecute you or not. Terrible. CA71ZVL. There's one with his eyes down. No, just looking at his fingernails.